guys, and thank you for tuning in to my video today. Today's video is gonna be a tutorial on this hair. This is a half up, half down Insta wig by Sensationnel. So it comes with the ponytail, and then it also comes with like a half piece that goes in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the package. So, and with this, you're supposed to be able to get 4 different styles out of this one like pack. So initially, you originally can just do the half up, half down, and then you can switch it to like a low ponytail. You can do a high ponytail, and then the second style is like a half wig. Oh, sorry. So the second style will be like a half wig. So these are all the different styles that you're able to achieve with this. And I will have like the price of this in the description box. This is synthetic hair. So again, you just have to be really mindful with like heat and stuff like that when you're wearing this. So this is the half wig portion. And this has to be like at least like 22 inches. This is pretty long. Yeah, it doesn't have a length. Yeah, so this doesn't have a length on it. But I can imagine this like being like 22 inches or so. It's pretty long and it's very full. It does come with combs. So you get a comb in the back. You get a comb right here and a comb right here. So you can hook it in. And then I went ahead and I bought some bobby pins just so I can make sure that the wig is secured when I'm wearing it. And I also got this in a number 2 because a number 2 matches my hair color perfectly. And then this is the ponytail portion. And so like you have 2 combs in this one. So you have one on the side and then you have one in the middle. And then what you'll do is then just take it, wrap it around your ponytail, and then this hair hides your band. Alright, so I went ahead and I sectioned off my hair. So we have this right here for my ponytail. And then we have the braids in the back for the half wig. Alright, and for this half wig, it does come with combs. So you get 2 combs up front, and then you get a big old comb in the back. And this does not have like an adjustable, actually it does. So this has an adjustable strap. It doesn't have like your traditional adjustable strap, which like if you're used to wearing wigs, they usually come with like 2 pieces, and you just hook them on inside. But this has an actual drawstring, so it can like tighten up on your head. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this part. And for this, you don't have to put any leave out, because essentially the ponytail should be covering with a half wig. And you just loosen mine. So I'm looking kind of crazy. And then after I do the ponytail part, I'm gonna go in and actually okay, and this is why you need bobby pins, just to secure it, because the combs low-key aren't enough. All right, so this is it. So this is like 30 inches almost, because it touches my butt. Okay, see how my hair is itself, if I was going to put it in a ponytail. All right, to install this, I'm going to use some edge control for my edges. The edge control that I'm using today is called First Touchdown Edge Tamer, and it's in peach. And it says it has a maximum 48-hour hold. Okay, I would suggest probably, I don't know, doing the ponytail first. Maybe. Hopefully my ponytail's not crooked.